Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a flip through of my 2025 planner setup. Probably like most of you, it's constantly evolving and changing. So that's where we're at. I am, like I said, going to show you a flip through. Before we get started, pen that I am still using, Jetstream ballpoint in 0.5. I did switch out the rings in my Happy Planner and then also the cover. This was the cover that I already had. And on the note of rings, I picked up, so these were the ones that I used before, just the plastic gold rings from a Happy Planner, but I ordered some on Amazon because I don't know where to buy rings. My local Michaels does not have them. They only have the giant ones. So this was the brand, I can't see what the brand is. What is the brand? Craft something. Anyways, it said 9 pieces planner discs. I thought it was the same size as the Happy Planner. Obviously it looks the same, but when I tried to switch them out, so this was the cover that I had on my planner for January, I think. The double-sided planner. I think I've showed you guys these before from Wander and Spruce. Anyways, so I had this for December and then this for January. So these are the discs that I purchased that were in here. I switched it out and then this is what happened. When I try to kind of flip the pages, they keep getting stuck. So I don't, it must be the width of these particular discs. I don't know if maybe they're thinner. I haven't figured it out. So anyways, I did not end up using these. This is kind of just like a holding, this is just holding pages from 2024. So that was a little bit disappointing. They were inexpensive. I think they were only $8, but even if you listen, like when I try to turn them, they keep getting stuck within the pages and the cover. So if you guys know, besides the Happy Planner website, because I don't think that they have a lot of choices on there either that I can find. If you know where I can get Happy Planner, the actual Happy Planner brand discs, please let me know. I also picked these up, which I didn't realize were metal, from the exact same brand. So maybe later this year I will try these out as well. According to the box, they are the exact same size, 35 millimeters. So that's my disc story. So I just went back to these black discs that I have. So anyways, I have this little folder pocket that I added in. These were, I think, a pack of 4 maybe from Amazon. So I added that. Then this is kind of the cover page that I made on Canva, added, printed, and then added this in. Also have kind of, I've never done this before, but like my word of the year. So I added this in, and I do also have this in my scripture writing planner. So I added this page in, made this on Canva also. Then I have the full year for 2025, just really easy to see. I'm not going to be writing on this page. I just wanted the full year in case I needed to look at a date. So here we have 2025. Next, I added a page in for family memories. In January, we had a bunch of snow days, so I added those in. Then also made this for kind of home projects. We did steam clean the carpets, but I have not been able to organize underneath the bathroom sinks because in January we all got sick with the flu, so that was a mess. So we will be moving that to February. Next we have Language goals, I'm still learning Spanish. I think I am on, did I just finish year 2? I can't really remember right now, but I wanted to add this in for some goals. I really, this summer would like to take some, I don't know if they're called lessons or set up on that website italki, just to practice conversation and also kind of get some guidance, because I've just been doing this by myself right now. So that I have a page for that. Then I have the vertical pages that I write down like doctor's appointments. So I can't show you those because that has personal information on it. So we are going to skip ahead to, I did take out the pages from 2024. I originally was going to leave everything in, but it was just getting too bulky. I really didn't want to buy expander discs because the discs just are so large. So I took everything out. So the only thing that is in here right now is 2025. So I have this in here for one. This is just like a little exercise that I can do when I am feeling stressed, or if I'm really worried about something. I took this out of my scripture writing notebook from last year and just taped it right in. So I have it. Next, added in just a piece of kind of cream floral vellum. And then I added in the WTA tour for this year. I am a tennis fan, so this was really exciting for me to make, and I just love the way that it turned out. I am going to go back in and write down who won each of these matches. So I have this in. Next, I added in movies that are coming out at Regal Cinemas, because that's the movie theater by us for this year. Not that many, but I just wrote most of them down. Then I did have this page, which I wrote on previously, and it was just a goals page. I am just going to leave this in here. See, there's the exact same 2 goals, so we're going to cross those out. I did schedule a babysitter, but she got sick and had to cancel. So, hey, look, all 3 of those things are crossed out. All right, moving on to a projects page. This year I wanted to try to grow some vegetables in the backyard. We've done it before. We've grown corn, tomatoes, carrots, strawberries, herbs like rosemary, cilantro, thyme. But this year I wanted to grow it in, I guess it's called a raised bed. I'm not really sure. So I wrote down what zone we are in for that. Next, let's see. I have a contacts page, which I can't show you because that has personal information, but I can show you. This is just one of the pages that I have in here. And it just has passwords, so like account login information for our family. I did leave this in. This was from last year. It's just some Spanish practice, just some notes that I took, so I left those in there. Then I added this page. I made this on Canva, and I thought on this page I would just write down something really short. That's why I didn't give myself a lot of space. Like any family trips that we take, they're obviously not going to be international, as looking at this page you would think, because of the kind of map background, but just little family trips that we take. I thought that I could just write down where we went, and how it went, what we did, things like that, just for memory keeping. Then I do still have my Adventure Days pages, which I have not really filled in. This is from 2024. I need to add some more things in. Next, we have more vertical pages with personal information, so I can't show you that. I did go ahead and add in for January these extra monthly pages that I picked up. I used some of them last year, I think, for scripture writing, but this time I wanted to try to write in like any projects, what type of cleaning I got done. I did end up writing down personal things again, sorry. So I can't show you guys these pages, but about half of January, the last half did not get filled in because we were so sick. So I have that in here, and then we have our January monthly. So I'm going to skip to the weekly pages, and pretty sure I can show you these. So here's the end of 2024, beginning of January. So I was using this just like I was last year for goals, to-do lists, tasks that needed to get done. Then this is the week we all got sick, so this is another week that didn't get filled in because we were all sick this week also. So moving on to the end of January into February, these cute little stickers are from a monthly sticker subscription that I've never tried one of those. So I signed up. Oh, what is the name of it? Hubs. I'll put it in the description. I think it's like something Hubs. There's like there's short words. It's like Chub Girl and Hub Man or something like that. Anyways, it was very inexpensive. They had some type of deal, so I think it was maybe $10 for the first month, and there were so many stickers that came. When I get the next month, I want to make a video just to show you guys, but I am so impressed. The quality of these stickers, I mean, these are thick. They almost feel waterproof, and there were so many of them. I was pleasantly surprised and happy and excited. So anyways, that's where these stickers came from. It was all kind of like a breakfast theme. And I mean, this is probably maybe a fifth of what came. It was awesome. So anyways, that's how I did the last week of January. Then just wrote down things that I needed to get done being back at work. And then also trying to get things done that didn't get done because we were all sick. Towards the end of the week, I ended up using this to write down phrases that I was trying to practice with Spanish. And then we have the February monthly calendar, the blank one that I added in that I can show you because it has not been decorated. This video I think will probably be posted when we are maybe the second or third week of February. So I will update you guys at a later date about how I am using this. The February monthly like Happy Planner actual pages is all information about appointments, things that are happening in our life. So I added this in. I might use this again for kind of like a when did I last do this or that type of thing when it just comes to our home, just so I have it separate from the appointments page that I use the monthly sections for. So just continuing on, I have, like I said, the rest of 2025 in here. I don't have anything in the back. I really just kept it really simple and put the rest of the year in. So this is pretty much like the bulk of how I've been using this planner. Then I also have this little Moleskine. This is a daily 2025 planner, so it is pretty chunky. And I had originally picked this up to just use as an additional kind of Bible study or scripture writing, because I downloaded I think it's just the Bible app on my phone. I hadn't had it on my phone and probably at this point in years. But they have, I think it's been like restructured or the format is different. So anyways, I found a plan, a Bible reading plan that I wanted to do, and I didn't really have any other place to put it because I didn't want it to get all mixed in with, like, you know, doing the laundry or taking someone to an appointment. So I just wanted to get this separate. So that's how I started using this in January. I printed out a little scripture writing plan if I wanted to do that. This particular one, the scriptures, it's not just one, it's like 3, 4, 5 scriptures. So I had a hard time kind of fitting them on the page. So I was only really getting some of them. So that's how it started. And I just used some washi tape to kind of decorate this. And then later in January, after I found the plans, I decided that I would use this for the plan that I was following, but then I also ended up using it just as like a to-do list. I left this at work and just needed to write something down. So this is just an example. Like on this day, I used it to write down just some information about from Romans 8, and then on this side I just used it for things that I needed to get done, because I just popped this in my purse instead of having this entire thing and having to take it out in the car. So that's how I've kind of used it so far. So some days are about like Bible study. There's a little bit of Spanish right there. And then some days are just if I read something I wanted to remember, I put it in. And then I also have like a to-do list. So this is kind of just a supplement for either if I don't want to take this out with me if I'm running errands, or for me to write down any, scriptures that stand out, or any information for when I'm studying Spanish. Now, I did go ahead and set this up for the upcoming week for me to use this specifically for just to-do lists, so I can leave this planner at work on my desk. And then I have been using my lunch break time to do some Spanish study. So I have this set up already for the upcoming week, so I can write down new vocabulary and then any phrases that I am working on. So that was probably a long video, but that is my 2025 planner setup that I have going right now. Let me know in the comments, are you guys still using the same planner that you started maybe in December or the beginning of the year, or have you switched things up? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy faith or planner related content, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.